Gusto naman natin marinig yung mensahe ng isa pang nating event organizer na si Isa Dayan. Palakpakan po natin, inshallah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So once again, I just wanna thank everyone. It's been a wonderful evening, guys, seeing you gather here. And of course, to our guests, sa ating mga pinagbibitagang mga chairman of the board, sa ating mga, of course, mga coordinators. Once again, yung the UBK is not just a group. The purpose of the UBK is not only to gather. This is about the brotherhood, sharing thoughts with one another's, and most of all, building a families. We've been called here for a purpose. Hindi lang to para mag-gather around, magkwentuhan. Ang UBK ay isang grupo na may mithiing pag-isahin, gawing pamilya, ang hindi lang po ang mga balik Islam dito sa Kuwait, kundi ang buong Filipino community. At ang hangarin nito ay maituro ng tama ang tungkol sa Islam. So, once again, maraming salamat sa inyong pagdala dito at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Mashallah, what a great message by Isa Dayan, the event organizer of UBK.